Hey guys, Miss Finney here again. Some people have told me that they cannot get onto Quaver, so I am going to do a step-by-step Quaver. So let me get over to it. Just a second here. And here you are. Here's Quaver. Let me see if I can get my face out of the picture here. Okay. Here's the green login for Quaver. First, you have to go to quavermusic.com, of course, quavermusic.com, and then go to the login box right here and click on that. My Quaver name and my password is already entered in, so all you got to do is click on enter right there. And this is my teacher dashboard. This is everything that we have access to in the classroom. And where you're going to find the videos that I assigned you is over here on the left-hand side under lessons. It's the first, second, third box down. And you click on music theory. And here's all the videos that we have. Kindergarten, first grade has beat. And second grade has tempo. And third grade has the musical alphabet. Fourth grade has reggae, and fifth grade has a Baroque period. So you're going to click on whatever video you're watching. I just clicked on the Baroque period for fifth grade, and then you click on video episode, and you watch the movie and enjoy the movie, and click on exit when you're finished, then go to Quaver quiz right here. And click start on the quiz and answer the quiz question. Just click on the answer right here. At the end, it will give you your score. What I'd like for you to do is dojo me a message with your score and tell me one thing that you learned about the video. That would be great if you would do that. And next week, not this week, but next week, you're going to have some whiteboard activities right here, so don't worry about that this week. Wait till next week to do that. Then go back to the teacher dashboard, and class play is where you're going to find all the songs that we sing in class. You can do it one of two ways. You can scroll down through about 700 of these songs and find the one you want to sing, or you can just type in the name of the song that you want to sing. Pop goes a weasel, and then here it is on the screen down here. Just click on the screen, and there's Pop goes a weasel. Okay, when you get through watching that, that thing's in my way. I can't get it out of the way. I can't get out of it. I can't get this out of the way. There you go. So click on the X and sing as many of those songs as you want. Then click on exit again. And I wanted you to explore Quaver. So you can do creatives. There's several things you can do on creatives, like QBackBeat Lite has to do with some rhythm. And click on the help bar up here. It has a video training that you can go to. It'll tell you how to do everything in QBackBeat. When you get through that, click on the X. That's whatever you want to do there. Go to back button here. Student Interactives has a lot of things to do in it. So there's books to read, all about instruments and movement, playing music, music creation. So just look through there and decide if there's anything that interests you. The musicals down here that we did, if you want to click on your music, Adventure Away, second grade just did that. You click on Adventure Away, you go down to movement videos, and you can sing along with them dancing. Next, this is one we did. You can even stand up and do the choreography with them. Yeah, don't we wish we was packing our clothes on a suitcase? Okay, so get out of this, exit out of everything. there's hundreds of things to do on this Quaver. So when you're through, log out and enjoy what you're doing, and make sure you send me messages on Quaver to let me know what you did and how you liked it. So look forward to hearing from you. Bye.